Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Charles Schwab Amex Platinum versus Amex Platinum. The primary distinction lies in the Schwab card's unique integration with your investment account. While both cards offer a suite of premium benefits, the Schwab version provides a distinct redemption option for your membership, rewards points directly into a Schwab brokerage account. This can be a valuable feature for those who prefer cash flexibility over travel redemptions. Both the Charles Schwab Amex Platinum and the standard Amex Platinum share a robust set of premium benefits. You'll gain access to the American Express Global Lounge Collection, including Centurion lounges, and receive valuable credits like up to $200 for airline incidental fees and up to $200 in Uber Cash annually. Additionally, both cards offer complimentary elite status with major hotel loyalty programs, enhancing your travel experiences. The Charles Schwab Amex Platinum card offers unique advantages for Schwab clients. Its standout feature is the ability to redeem membership rewards points at a rate of 1 cent per point directly into your eligible Schwab brokerage account, providing excellent cash flexibility. Furthermore, depending on your qualifying Schwab holdings, you could receive an annual statement credit of $100 for holdings of $250,000 or more, or $200 for holdings of $1 million or more, helping to offset the annual fee. Deciding between these two cards depends on your financial situation. If you're an existing Charles Schwab client with an eligible investment account, the Schwab Platinum card offers unparalleled flexibility with its cash redemption option and potential appreciation bonuses. However, if you don't have a Schwab account or are looking for potentially higher welcome offers, the standard Amex Platinum card remains an excellent choice for premium travel and lifestyle benefits. And speaking of smart choices, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.